says each of the following resistors has a resistance of 5 ohms, and you have a circuit with a battery, 2 resistors. It says that each of those is 5 ohms. So now it says what information is given to us. We're given the value of each individual resistor is 5 ohms, and we are trying to solve for the equivalent resistance of the circuit. In addition to that, you are given the voltage is 9 volts. You are trying to find the total resistance of the circuit. Okay, this is no longer wired in series because when I get to this point right there, I have a choice of going through this branch or through going through this branch. So this is a parallel circuit. So the formula that we use for parallel is we say that the sum of the individual resistors, okay, the inverse of the individual resistors, is equal to the inverse of the total resistance. Now, the relevant information in this case is the voltage. The voltage actually has nothing to do with this particular problem. So now we say, okay, 1 over the total resistance is equal to 1 over 5 plus 1 over 5, which is equal to 2 over 5. So now you have 1 over the total resistance is equal to 2 over 5. And now you could solve by cross multiplying. 2RT equals 5. The total resistance is 2.5 ohms. Now your calculator can also do this for you as well. Now you may be thinking, well, why would I use my calculator? It's just as easy to do it this way. A lot of times these numbers aren't going to be the same, so it's going to be difficult to find a common denominator. So we'll show you that on the next example.